Shawty got me writing this song. Shawty got me singing this song. You really got me feeling this way. Shawty got a beauty, make a heart for go out. Shawty got a smile, make me feel like a child now. I've been trying to keep it Dogg style, but I can't, cause every time I see you my heart melts. Shawty got a beauty, make a heart for go out. Shawty got a smile, make me feel like a child now. I've been trying to keep it Dogg style, but I can't, cause every time I see you my heart melts.
Let me keep these moments in my memories to be found. For her I plead guilty, don't need for any trial. I like the trip mild, but she got me going wild. Plus my heart won't stop racing every time she smile. That girl, she got my heart from the first glance. Anytime we cross our paths, every time I be losing my stance. Tell me, what do you call those kind of feeling you get? When I look through my memories, love at first sight ain't nothing but a movie fantasies. But the day our eyes met, we had the look of ecstasy. So I need somebody to explain to me, yeah.
Shawty got a beauty, make a heart for go out. Shawty got a smile, make me feel like a child now. I've been trying to keep it Dogg style, but I can't, cause every time I see you my heart melts. Shawty got a beauty, make a heart for go out. Shawty got a smile, make me feel like a child now. I've been trying to keep it Dogg style, but I can't, cause every time I see you my heart melts.
Sincerely yours, Inspector Young Dog. Been bowling since elementary with the big dogs. Been screaming tough for life, high till I die. Holding back tears, never letting it rain. Lost in the world of pleasures and pain. Made my heart turn cold, never changing my ways. But when I met you, I felt a warm fuzzy feeling in my soul. Felt like a blessing coming my way. Makes me wanna change my way. Cause your body's so pure, your soul's so pure. I won't dare to come in your way until I change my crooked ways. So here I come, here I go, clear the way.
Shawty got a beauty, make a heart for go out. Shawty got a smile, make me feel like a child now. I've been trying to keep it Dogg style, but I can't, cause every time I see you my heart melts.